Mine is gonna be a broken llama.
They cut it wrong. What the heck? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie, if you don't know me. Today we are doing a family vlog in honor of Ruby's birthday. So, happy birthday, Ruby! In honor of her birthday, we are gonna do a unboxing. It's a craft box unboxing. I've seen her do crafts in her channel with her family before. So, that's what we're doing today. And we got this box at Target. This is Mondo Llama Rainbow Surprise Craft Box. Looks like this. We've never done anything like this before. I think we just go and open each box individually. There is 2 for each of us to open. So we're gonna go this way. Ethan will open the first one, then CJ, then me, then Tristan. So we're gonna go ahead and get started here. And opening the box, I'm just gonna take the wrapper off of it first. We're gonna start right here. So Ethan just pulled the thing there. What is it? What is it?
Maybe something good.
You got it?
Yep.
Take it out and let's see what it is.
Whatever this is. Look, let me get one closer. Look at this cute pom-pom bird.
It's a pom-pom bird. You go next, Siege.
Alright. Oops.
Damn, babe. Super strength DJ over here.
And mine is this one.
What is it?
It says Cloud Wind Sock.
Cloud wind sock. Okay. Alright, it's my turn now. I get the next one. Well, Bobby already tried to open it.
Sorry about it.
Oh, puppy, what the heck? You go down.
Oh my god. Oh, it's a turtle!
Oh, puppy should have got lucky.
Bobby should have gotten the turtle. He likes turtles. I got a turtle. How cute.
Little turtle.
Okay.
Tristan's turn!
So sad. I'm going to be so excited.
What is it?
Some kind of rainbow.
Yeah, it's probably like the rainbow one.
It looks cool. Okay, Ethan, it's your turn again.
Yeah. Ah! Oh, what did I get? What did I get? I got it. I broke it. I got whatever this is. Look at this bad boy. I have no idea what this is. Let's go, puppy.
Donnie, do your super strength move again.
The Texas Smash!
Broken.
Another tube. Oh my
What? You got
goodness.
another
I have a craft tube llama.
What the heck? You got the weird ones. You don't know what the heck they are.
Good job, puppy. Good job.
A tube for YouTube.
I'll get
I'll get the next one. See what I got.
a butterfly.
A butterfly? I got like a little smiley face thing. Look.
Ah!
That's what I
So you
got.
should put the eyeballs up
There?
there.
No. Creepy.
It looks cute.
Look at marshmallow. The marshmallow.
What is it?
Paper chain caterpillar.
Nice. That is the surprise
Oh,
box.
I got the butterfly.
Oh, you did get a butterfly.
I got the 2 ones that I wanted.
We need glue and stuff. Ethan's got us covered. That works.
Yeah, come on.
Okay, so which one are you gonna do, Ethan?
I'm gonna do the cute little tiny butterfly.
CJ, the tube or the tube?
I want to. I'm gonna do the llama style. Llama.
The lava?
Llama.
I'm gonna do the turtle.
Okay,
I'm gonna do the rainbow peaching.
He already took us out because he's impatient.
Alright. Let's go crafting, y'all.
let's go crafting, y'all.
Did you say y'all?
What the heck does that even mean?
I think they messed mine up.
Why?
The ears are supposed to go down. See? That's the head.
The heck?
They cut it wrong.
They cut it wrong.
Okay, I think.
Oh, that's cute, dude.
Oh, that is cute.
And I just have to wait for it.
Oh,
It's so cute. Yeah. They tried their best, Poppy.
it's not Poppy's fault.
It's their fault. So this is Puppy Sing.
So what happened is they printed the ears and the nose upside down. Now the ears are where the nose is, and the nose is where the ears are supposed to be.
Look at my cute thing.
Oh, how cool, Ethan. I like yours. It's cute.
Uh-huh.
It's a dragonfly.
Yep. Look at this cute toy.
Okay, that one is mine. I did the turtle. One of the eyes is kind of lopsided a little bit, but it's fine.
Reminds me of the zombie kid.
Oh, yeah.
I like turtles.
Oh no, I love the hot dog.
Oh, don't forget you're going to put the eyes somewhere.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it.
How about you put them?
Hold on. The smile goes here.
So don't put the.
Yeah. Do 3 and 3.
I got-
Oh, look who decided to join.
Want to do some arts and crafts too?
Mine looks so cute. Look at it. Look at it.
Right there.
Here we go. This is my creation. It's a rainbow keychain with a bunch of pom-poms.
My
cool, dude.
rainbow parade.
Alright, so that is our little crafts thing.
Yeah!
Woo! Alright guys, so that is our video for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little surprise craft box thing. It's really cool. I think we're going to do another one later on. But yeah, let me know if you guys like these kinds of videos. Comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to hit the notification bell to be notified of when I upload. What do you guys say?
Happy birthday,
Ruby! Toodles!